Eh, bago pa siya lumipad.
Catapults moving out.
Bang!
Killing. Enemy in our jungle. Help me get rid of them.
Da!
An enemy has been slain. We have.
Okay.
Welcome to Honor of Kings.
What's up guys?
Enemy
Sa mga di pa
minions will arrive in
nakapalo,
5 seconds. All forces, move out!
gamit ko pala dito si ano, Aldous made in China.
You're gonna have to bring a better weapon if you want to take me on.
Tapos ito, pipili natin to si ano. Ito, first kill nga pala ito. Ikot-ikot na parang sa Uranus. Uranus. Ayan ang first kill niya. Balik tayo dito. Ayan, dito na.
First blood.
Ah, nice! Matang... Tapos yung second skill niya, Uranus yun.
What doesn't kill me only makes me
nangyari? Ba't di
stronger
lumipad?
and faster.
Grabe yung slow niya, man. Baka makulat ka
An
lang.
ally has been slain.
Papakita ko na inyo mamaya kung bakit Aldous naging China to. Ay, lumipad talaga oh.
An enemy has been slain.
Ayan, o, diba? Parang Uranus yung ano niya. First kill, ay! La!
Slain.
Ayun, babawi tayo mamaya.
An ally has been slain.
I had to give up everything to become who I was.
Fabulous.
Okay.
An enemy has been slain.
Hindi kasi tumatalon tong Uranus ko eh. Yung first kill at second skill niya parang si
An
Uranus.
ally has been slain.
dito natin sila sa kanya.
You have been slain.
Anong sakit naman nun? Grabe siya oh. Lugi kami ah.
I fought for my
Naka-level
freedom,
4.
so I'll do whatever I want.
Ang bilis kasi ng ano nila eh. Dito na basta hindi pa nabasag yung story, okay lang yun.
I fight alone.
Hindi kaya mabasag yung story ko. Dalawa na yung kalaban ko ah.
Killing spree.
Basta
Shut
What doesn't kill
down.
me only makes me stronger and
Enemy double kill.
wait tayo
Ultimate not ready yet.
Ito ay lilipad na to si Aldous. Uwi mo na ako sa blade. Paliliparin ko na to si Aldous.
you're gonna have to bring a better weapon if you want to take me on.
Lipad Aldous! Ba't di ka lumipad?
The Overlord and Tyrant have spawned. Tower shields have been shattered.
Bago pa siya lumipad.
Catapults moving out.
Bang!
Killing spree.
Uy! Nangyari!
Shut down.
Grabe ang nangyari dun! Nag-lag ba? Nanghiya, pinahiya mo ako Aldous ah.
I had to
Naging
give up
China ka nga.
everything to
Your turret has been destroyed.
Balik ko na ako dun. Ano yata? Huli yung ano mo? Atake?
I fight alone.
An enemy has been slain.
Sakit nung kaano ko dito ah.
Assemble!
Eh,
Assemble!
Let's go!
Enemy in our jungle! Help me get rid of them!
patay ka ngayon.
Slain.
Ha? Kala nyo kayo lang kanina magaling ah. Madami kayo ano to.
An enemy has been slain.
Nangiya ka.
You're gonna have to bring a better weapon
Short
if you
range
want
nga
to
lang
take
yung
me on.
lipad ng Aldos made in China na to eh. Babalayo ano niya, abot ng kanyang saklaw. Eh,
An enemy has
ayaw
been
talaga
slain. Your team has destroyed
Yan
a
ba?
turret. An ally has been slain. An ally has been slain.
asan yung... ayun na sa baba.
I
Okay.
fought for my
Basta ko
freedom.
na uturi, wala pa
I'll
dito.
do whatever I want.
Enemy double kill.
Nandun sa baba. Sige. Bilisan nyo men, baka rating na siya. Ah!
Your
Diyos ko.
turret has
Ako pa
been
yung tinira?
destroyed.
Walang hiya. Tarantadong tore.
Your turret has been
Ang
destroyed.
dami ng tinira, ako pa yung pinili. Eh, sabay naman kami ng kamilyo.
An enemy has been slain. You have slain
Yan.
an enemy.
Ah,
An ally has been slain.
galing eh. Aldos, made in China.
An enemy has been slain.
Ba, galing ni Aldos.
Destroyed.
I fight alone.
An ally
Pat,
has been slain.
yan na si Aldos, made in China.
Killing spree.
Kaya kayo.
Enemy godlike.
Sakit sa laban namin ngayon ah.
First. Enemy double kill.
Wala na, tumaba rin yung kalaban. Yan, oh.
An enemy has been slain.
Ang sakit sa tinga.
Defeat.